Hi, Tom. How's it going?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing well, thanks. And you?
I'm good, too. I'm really enjoying the weather today. It's so sunny and bright.
I know. It's beautiful outside. I love sunny days like this. They make me feel energetic.
Me too. Do you have any plans for today? Are you going to enjoy the sun?
Yes. I was thinking of going for a walk later. Maybe even go to the park. What about you?
That sounds great. I might go to the park, too. I like to read a book under the trees when it's sunny. It's so relaxing.
Reading in the park sounds peaceful. Do you often read outside?
Yes, whenever the weather is nice. But if it's too hot, I prefer to stay indoors.
Same here. Sunny weather is nice, but not when it's too hot. By the way, do you like rainy days?
Sometimes. I like the sound of rain, especially when I'm at home. It's cozy. What about you?
I actually enjoy rainy days a lot. I like to sit by the window, watch the rain, and drink some hot coffee. It's very calming.
Oh, I totally agree. Rainy days are perfect for a warm drink and a good movie or book.
Yes, sometimes I even go for a walk in the rain if it's not too heavy. I enjoy the fresh air and the smell after the rain.
That's brave. I don't like getting wet, so I usually stay inside. But I do enjoy the fresh smell after the rain.
Have you ever noticed how the trees and flowers look brighter after it rains? They look so green and fresh.
Yes, I love that. Everything looks so clean and alive. Nature is amazing, isn't it?
It really is. So, do you think it will rain tomorrow?
I checked the weather forecast. It says it'll be sunny again tomorrow, maybe a bit cloudy in the evening.
Oh, that's nice. Perfect weather for a picnic. We should go together.
Great idea, Tom. We can bring some sandwiches and snacks. I'll bring a blanket, too.
Sounds perfect. Do you like watching the sunset? We could stay until the sun goes down.
Yes, I love sunsets. They're so beautiful, especially on clear days. Watching the colors change is amazing.
Agreed. There's something magical about it. So, let's meet at the park tomorrow, around 3 p.m.?
Perfect. I'll bring some drinks and maybe a few snacks. Let's hope for good weather.
Yes. Fingers crossed for a sunny day.
All right, Tom. See you tomorrow, then.
See you, Emma. I can't wait for our picnic.